Hey, did you hear about the recent hike in petrol prices?
Yes, I did. But let me share a secret with you. It doesn't affect me at all.
Really? How's that even possible? Don't you own a car?
Yes, I do, but I use an electric vehicle which is not dependent on petrol. It is a smart and eco-friendly option that you could consider.
Oh, that's great. But don't you have any concerns about the range of the EV vehicle?
Not really. I technically plan ahead and utilize the EV stations for charging my vehicle. It's quite convenient and there are so many available options these days.
That's interesting. But wouldn't it be expensive to charge your car frequently?
Actually, it's quite the opposite. Charging an EV is much cheaper than filling up a petrol car. So it saves me a lot of money in the long run.
I never thought about it that way. Do you have any tips for someone considering switching to an EV?
Sure, my advice would be to research and plan ahead. Check for the availability of EV stations in your area and the range your car provides you. It's also beneficial to know your charging needs and options that are available to you.
That's helpful. I might actually consider getting an EV in the future. Thanks for sharing your experience.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Why worry about recharging your EV when GoEasy has their EV supercharging stations in every nook and corner? Switch to EVs and forget worrying about the rising fuel prices. Share this content with someone who's thinking of buying an EV and follow our page for more EV-related content. See you!